This particular recipe, we can call it chicken sauce. Trust me, after watching this, you'll be amazed, and make sure to try it. If you're going to try this, let me know on comment section. First of all, you put in your vegetable oil, your onions sliced already added. Before adding your chicken, please, this chicken was washed, mixed with season cube and a little pinch of salt, and keep for like 10 to 15 minutes. You can put it in your freezer, all right? Then for that 10 to 15 minutes, you will not cook it, you will not fry it. Then after that, you bring it, pour it in the pot. Once the oil and the onions is ready, when you pour it in the pot, then you add your pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, shombo, every kind of pepper you use, you blended already, you add it there. Then you add your ginger, garlic, and test it. If the salt is too much or not, you can also add to adjust your salt. When you find out that the chicken is ready, you go in with your cabbage. When you go in with your cabbage, don't carry it down, just make sure you mix together, because some people like to eat cabbage that is not cooked, but this particular one you will cook a little. But before adding this cabbage, make sure that your chicken is ready. Then when you add the cabbage, all your veggies, you can add your green beans, your carrots, your corn, you mix everything together. Then you cook for minimum of 3 minutes. Right, minimum of 3 minutes. When that is cooking already, then your rice will be ready, will be on fire. All right, your rice is on fire already, almost done. Just like 98% ready. You add the vegetables, which I did there. After everything, food is ready. Let me know what you think about this particular recipe, and if you're going to try it, let me know. In this particular channel, we bring to you food challenge or eating challenge game, and also how to cook any kind of African food. As we proceed, watch for the recap and let me know what you think. Do well to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so that anytime we drop video like this, it will reach you. Do well to check other videos to see this recap of everything. In case if you don't understand it clearly, you can also go back to watch this video from beginning to the end. Trust me, you will like this. Try this. Christmas celebration is by the corner. Maybe this is what you're going to make for your family for Christmas celebration day on 25th of December. Thank you for watching. I love you all.